Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable power button ends calls on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now let's say for instance, you'd like to use your power button to end calls. You can simply enable that feature on your Redmi Note 14. So open the settings app on your device and then scroll down and find the advanced settings option. Tap on it and then select accessibility, and then within the accessibility tap on the physical category and then scroll down and find power button end calls and tap on the toggle switch icon to enable that feature. Now whenever you are on a call and you'd like to end a call, all you have to do is simply press the power button and it will end that particular call. So that's basically it on how to enable the power button ends calls on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.